seating position I've got with the Geniune Recaro'S, which seems to be quite low and tucked. Haven't put the other one in yet, but I'll go do that now. I'll just get in a field of what if I like to compare it, and this is where I am. Shoulder just around about where that buckle is, so I'll use that as vary, because the seats do have slightly different dimensions. Even though they're meant to be a copy of the same model that's in here, they are slightly different, the bolsters and even how it is. But I'll go throw the other one in and we'll see what that's like. So the Fox are fake Recaro confettis. I love the colour. I wish I could get real confettis, but I don't think that's going to be possible, not for a decent price. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to use these. The height is very similar. I've just unbolted them, that's why, to take them back out. They just don't hold you like the real ones. Even the side bolster down here is a lot more softer and got a lot more give, and I'm sure the same of that one. And obviously the sponge inside's not the same or the same quality, but comfortable wise they're comfortable, but they're just not the same as the real thing. I'm sure it'll be the same with fake brids or brides or whatever you want to call them. I'm sure it's very similar to there. If you sit in a real seat and then sit in a fake one, you'll know the difference. Some people are okay because, oh, it looks cool, and yeah, I really do like the way these look, but I can't do it. I'm gonna keep the leather. It's a little worn. I was really looking to sell them while they were still worth a lot of money and still in reasonable condition and not get more worn, because I don't want half leather. I want cloth. I want like Evo 8 MR cloth seats. I have found a set. See if I can get them down to a reasonable price, or swap my leathers to him, plus some money or whatever. See what I can do there. So I have these for sale, 8,500 baht with rails for a Sierra Lancer. I can deliver them to you in Bangkok on the 17th, because I'm heading that way. So if somebody in Bangkok wants these, here you go. We'll carry on finishing this Evo up. I'll bang these seats back in and I'll join you there to finish, and then that'll be this video. Just a quick one about fake Recaro'S, not because they're cheap. Well, they're not cheap. They're still £200 for the set. Obviously nowhere near the price of real Recaro'S, but it's worth a chance. Sell them on, somebody will buy them. I'll go with that there. Right, catches. So here's a quick tell about the differences. They're both meant to be SR4s. I believe Evo 9s are SR4s as well. This is obviously confetti design. And this is just stock. Obviously there's bits of wear with the heat. The leather cracks here easy. The fake is actually a little bit taller. It's probably more to do with the rails. It doesn't look it just now, but it's just the way the fabricated rails sit on the ground compared to the other one. It's like maybe half an inch taller. In here you can see this is curved and got embedded, and then the lines here, you know, a lot more groove, and this seat sinks. This one's straight across. You can see the grooves aren't, you know, it's not like proper upholstery, and it does dip a little bit, you can see, but nowhere near the amount of dip. That's got to put your ass closer to the floor basically. The bolsters, solid. These ones got a lot more soft and a lot more give. You just see when I sit in the car and discussing, but they just don't have the support, and they're a bit wider. Again, I think it's about maybe an inch, half an inch wider in places like here and here, so it just doesn't give you the support it needs to give you. So they ain't staying, but hey ho, what can you do? That's originals back in. You know, they're a little bit worn from sun and stuff like that, but since I'm not going with that, I have to fork out for reels. I'm on the hunt for Evo 8 MR Recaro'S cloth. I'll stick with these, I'll see. Depends on the price, but see maybe about getting these repaired. I'm sure they can be, so Other than that, that's the end of this video, and we'll catch up with the rest of the project later.